it's Nicole Richie. Did you know that you can put on this VR headset and then you can watch me in 3D? Do you want to know where I'm going tonight, Bo, before you do my makeup? I'm going to 29Rooms. I have not been to 29Rooms, but I've been to it in bed via Instagram, looking at other people's. I curated a room, and the room has a lot to do with the earth and also the universe as a whole. And so I wanted to wear earth colors, but I also very much wanted to feel like myself.
Hi, I'm Bo Nelson. I'm Nicole Richie's makeup artist for the Refinery29 event tonight. Nicole and I have been working together for close to 10 years now.
Bo doesn't really consult me.
No, I don't ask her anything. I just do what I want.
Bo, you crossed the arm when I was saying how authentic I am. I'm so authentic.
My name is DJ Quintero, and I'm lucky enough to work with Nicole when she's in New York.
DJ is nervous. If I could read the room, he feels a little stressed.
It is hot in here.
Maybe for the people that have the things on, they can feel our tension.
For me, it's usually about the clothes. So I always take a look at what she's wearing and kind of how she's feeling in that moment. And I saw the dress tonight, and I decided sort of a monochrome, goldish, bronze look would be beautiful for her.
For me, I can't do a ton of makeup.
Part of that is, making sure that it's not too heavy, so she doesn't feel like she's wearing a full face of makeup. She might have a statement eye or a statement lip, or sometimes a statement eye and lip, but it's not a heavy, full face.
She's so petite and so tiny that a lot of hair can be a little bit overwhelming. She's a cool girl, so you never want to like overdo it.
It's easy for makeup and hair to kind of wear me. We like to be naked, we like to feel naked, and we like to use the Naked palette and the 24/7 eye pencil, the Rebound, and the all-nighter spray, because I'm a wild beast.
You are.
I can't be tamed. I'm like Miley. Okay, do I look like Twisted Sister? I like to do my own mascara because Bo takes too many swipes. You start at the root, wiggle, and then gently remove. Wiggle, remove, wiggle, remove. Get every eyelash, corners, because it makes a big difference, right? I'm down, I'm in. I'm definitely not. Woo, wait, it feels. I got it. Sorry. Did I mess it up? I don't necessarily always connect to the idea of like using hair and makeup to change the way you look. I think it should enhance your already natural, beautiful self. And it's fun. It's fun to play with looks. If you don't like something, you can change it, right?
Why not?
It's bright and creative. I love a hair moment, and I do love an eye moment. That's my vibe. What do you think? Going to put on my dress, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm ready to go. I'm in my House of Harlow dress, and I am about to be late, so let's go.